This is my homemade air compressor. It was an old tank that I got from my uncle, and it had a 3-horse 220 electric motor on it, and it had a blown up pump, and I got a 5-horse rating pump from Harbor Freight, and I'm only running a 3-horse 220 motor on it, and it runs just fine. It keeps up with me painting and everything, and it's more than enough power. It's been running for 2 years with that little 3-horse on it. I was scared it was going to burn it up, but it's just fine, and keeps up with 3 air hoses.